and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me Allah.
Bakansari 16 ogisireho na meya wabo Nicholas Asimwe abaterirwa akaruru ku rugo mu Rentable Right Town Council batere birahiro bari kuraganisa kujwekera kurungi hamwe no korra abantu babo.
Communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except as may be required for the discharge of my official duties or as may be specially permitted by the President of the Republic of Uganda. So help me Allah.
Omukurahiro oku bakansara batari bamwe na bamwe bareberweho bariko rabanisibwa mu Orungyereza mpaka bamazireyo ebirahiro byabo.
Being appointed as the name of Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I will at all times well and truly serve the town council in the office of Secretary for Works, Technical Services and Production, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established.
Say me and man God and that exercise faction of chairperson went over White Town Council and shall God preserved, protect and defend the Constitution and the advance of independence and for God.
Bamwe babereye n'abahwezi abo kubayamba kushoma rero n'abakansara bakagarukamu n'obubingi baremwa n'ugujwa.
I Karamuzi George fairs come directors communicate invade and the matters and the person is used by children and construction and conduct on the office script and carried by the state church as the office duties. I was authoritated by President, but God.
I, Ntungamo John, was appointed as I, Ntungamo John, being appointed as the name of Almighty God, that I will at all times well and truly serve the town council in the office of administration, finance and production.
Hamgorogu Honorable Muhinda Fred orikujwekera Kaina B yatoranwa nka speaker Honorable Twindomjuni Christine Zam owachiyanja ward kandi Honorable Asimwe Nicholas yarahizibwa nko wasinjira karuru ko bwa meya.
So that I will not direct or indirect communicate reveal any matter to any person which shall to be brought under consideration, my consideration, or shall come to take my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, official duties, except as my be required to discharge my official duties or my special permitted by the President. So help me God.
Mukuru w'abakozi habwa Ntungamo Federis Chiza yahiga barahira okora hamwe na mnonga okurwanisa obushomankuzi.
Payroll system ekermu abashuma ochahumura waza kushaba package yawe bagira ngo ukora bene uza kutunga miliyoni 6 wotaresire hikumi toragirota torazubona
kandi mu gihe we shall never cooperate with our local leaders to ensure we open up new feeder roads where need arises.
Asman Chigongo omuhwezi w'ishenteeko ahabwa Ntungamo yashaba Abebembezi omu Rubare okufayo munonga omu kurwanirira itaka ryabo eryahansharo.
Itaka eritwire omurongoma rukwatana n'aba Rukiga itaka rahango munonga konka eventually itokutugurejera kwena bagira ki barutwara kandi amatakaga kugarugumona gaja kutuyamba ngaragamo akasente
abi n'amataka basebe n'abanyabo omutawuni kansumu wale twakusecete ngo cyo kushaba utwantuye nango turagiho urukuto uhure wayanguhirwa ako urukuto rwiza kubana rukuyamba iwo wenga nko umuntu kingurize ngavari iyo mwanya gwawe kandi kushaka kweneberingana n'abandi kubasa kutunga expansion.
Omukisanji kyatandikira izoba bakansara barahizibwa nibija ku bantu bakikira abantu babo kandi no barabe bateganisibwa orujungu ebitenso byona nibija ku bantu bikorwa mu Orungyereza ekirarikirize babantu baza kubicenga. Amakuru aga gashira kwa Samuel Ahumuza omuri Ntungamo.
And shall God preserved, protect and defend the Constitution and the reverse of souls and for and for God.